Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone. If your phone's glitched or for some reason it's not working and you can't get into it or anything, I'll just teach you how to turn it on and off. It's a quick process. It takes literally 10 seconds for you to do. Before we get into the video, I will be giving away an iPhone 11 to one lucky subscriber once we hit 20,000 subscribers. So once we hit 20,000 subscribers, I will give away this iPhone 11. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for a chance to win. I will be announcing it on my YouTube channel and also my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram as well. Those are the two steps that you have to do, and I will give it away. So what you're going to want to do to restart your iPhone is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until your phone turns off. Continue to hold the lock button. Once this Apple logo pops up, let go of the lock button. And there you guys go. Your phone is now back on and restarted. That'll be all for the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. That'll be all. Roll the outro.